Here is how I create vertical videos in Final Cut Pro. I mostly use these videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, and Pinterest. The first thing you want to do is to create your vertical sized project space by selecting vertical and then the resolution of 1080 by 1920, which is the opposite resolution of clips created horizontally. Now we have the correct format for creating a vertical video, and I am going to use a 1920 by 1080 video clip. So we drop the video into the timeline, and if we leave it alone like this, it is technically a vertical video, which can be accepted by the platforms I mentioned earlier, but it doesn't really catch your attention. So, that's when we go to our transform controls and scale the video up, and essentially crop it the way we want. Then we use our position controls to move the video from side to side using the X-axis. And that looks pretty good for our purposes. Now we can add a little text. A typical drive home. And move it into place. And then use the Y-axis for positioning up and down. Then we shorten the video down to 15 to 30 seconds, which seems to be a safe length for all platforms. Extend the text for the entire clip, and we added a little audio clip too. And now we share the video. And here it is ready to be shared as a short, reel or pin.
A typical drive home any night of the week here. I wish we were actually going this fast to get through it.
Thanks for watching.